Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to take advantage of the video archives that exist about our art. So, for example, YouTube. You might be watching this on YouTube, but wherever it might be, and watch maybe a few times, maybe once, maybe many times, not to study exactly. In terms of sort of fine tuning, but watch somebody who is a widely acclaimed master in the art, so one of those old timers, but from a different lineage than you, somebody that doesn't do your style, or their sort of style shares a name with your style, but it's functionally different, it's markedly different because so far back in the family tree there is a separation. And pay attention to one of the moves that they do that you have in your form, right? So maybe that's brush knee or whatever. And when you practice your form, practice it kind of after the manner of the way you see that their brush knee is. Certainly, you're not getting a real full education about how they do it. It's a different style, and it's not a teaching video. It's a demonstration of some kind. But see if you can, when you get to that one move, sort of express your version of what you saw them when they were saw them do in their practice. So you're just sort of taking a little flavor of what you can understand about their style, their form, their person, and include that in your form, just as a way of relating to them and relating to other people who might in fact study under that style. And while we're on the topic, get out there and meet people from different schools, different lineages than you. Thanks. Maybe even befriend them, learn something.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.